Jackson Ayazika has spent every morning of the last 18 years noting down patients' health conditions in green exercise books and prescribing medication to them. Before he was posted to Luuka Health Center 4, he'd been a general practitioner in Kampala. When we found him, he was at the health center attending to a sick child whom he had earlier prescribed medication to. Ayazika says many times when the health center runs out of drugs, patients, like the child he was attending to, are requested to visit pharmacies and buy the drugs, which would be free had they been found in the health center. But due to poverty, many of the patients choose to go without the drugs.
People around here are poor. Whenever they come here, not all the time that we do have drugs in stock. However, government tries to restock, but during the time when there is no drugs, you prescribe, you request them to go and buy drugs. After a few days, they come back, complain. When you ask, did you buy the drugs? Somebody will tell you, I don't have money.
We asked him what he would expect of a presidential candidate looking for his vote, and with no hesitation, Ayazika repeated a request that other health workers had made many times over the years. He wanted a pay rise.
To increase our pay. Indeed, it is small in respect to the depreciating shilling of Uganda. The pay is indeed small as compared to the workload. If you have a loan, for example, every month, out of your money, the bank takes around 300. You can now realize what you are supposed to remain with. So what I'm trying to bring forward is that the money is too small, indeed too small. So we need some increment.
Presidential candidate Mbabazi has been on the trail in eastern Uganda, promising among many things, better pay for health workers.
We shall raise the salary of medical workers.
Ugandan medical workers in the U5 scale have an entry earning of 512,000, while the entry point salary for support staff like nursing assistants is 147,000 Uganda shillings. However, Ayazika is not optimistic that his one wish will be fulfilled.
The time I've taken listening to politicians, it is God's grace that a politician can tell you what exactly will be done. So whatever they tell us, we just put everything into prayers.
Mbabazi had to muddle through a rough patch of roads on his way to Luuka, prompting him to step out and talk to the press about it.
Uganda ya mwaka kuno mukamuri engudo bwezi tetuniza kuita kati kampeni ya fudde kampeni no yaba helicopter siyafe abawansi.
Mbabazi will take his campaigns to the island district of Buvuma next. Raymond Mujuni for NTV.